In this tutorial, let us learn about Python MySQL create table. Creating a table. To create a table in MySQL, use the create table statement. Make sure you define the name of the database when you create the connection. See the example, create table named customers. See, now we are creating a table named customers. See here, by writing and executing this code like this, the result returns this. It was created, MySQL underscore create underscore table was created. If this page is executed with no error, we have successfully created a table named customers. If the above code was executed with no errors, we have now successfully created a table. Check if table exists. You can check if a table exists by listing all tables in your database with the show table statement. See here example, return a list of your system's database. See here, now here we are using show tables to show the tables customers. By writing and executing this code, the result returns here. See customers. Primary key. When creating a table, you should also create a column with a unique key for each record. This can be done by defining a primary key. We use the statement int auto underscore increment primary key, which will insert a unique number of each record starting at 1 and increased by 1 for each record. See the example, create primary key when creating the table. See the code. By writing and executing this code, see create table customers id int auto underscore increment primary key, name varchar 255, address varchar 255. By writing and executing this code, the result returns this. If the table already exists, use the alter table keyword. See the example. Now we are using alter. See here alter table customers. In this example, we are using alter. If already exists a table, you should use this alter table customers. See the result returns this. If this page is executed with no error, the table customers now as primary key. Okay friends, this is the end of part 3 Python MySQL create table. In next video, let us learn about another topic Python MySQL insert into table. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.